You think you know Windows? Then think again. There are still hidden settings on your computer that can make your computer faster, smarter, safer. And you know what? You can change it right now. Follow me as we unlock these hidden settings to make our PC more productive to us. And as usual, I'm Opon and this is Make the Most TV. Let's dive into it. Are you tired of low disk space on your PC? Turn on Storage Sense. Head to Settings, System on the side menu, and then locate Storage section. Click on Storage section, turn on Storage Sense, and schedule automatic cleanups for temporary files, recycle bin, and downloads, like having a built-in cleaner on your computer. In the Storage Sense section, you see automatic user content cleanup is turned on. So to configure cleanup schedules, by default, during low disk space is when the Storage Sense does its cleanup. You can either choose to run cleanup every month, every week, or every day. It is per your preference. And the next section, when delete files in my recycle bin, if they have been there for over, so files that have been deleted for over 30 days by default will end up being deleted. You can as well change it to your preference and start using Storage Sense to its full capacity, not always worrying about low disk space. Try it out. Have you ever had a frozen application that won't just close? Instead of opening Task Manager every time, do this instead. Go to Settings and locate System on the side menu. Scroll down and locate For Developers section and turn on End Task in the taskbar. Now you can right-click any misbehaving application and just hit End Task. Then boom, it's gone. Like a pro. Try it out and let me know how you are taking back control of your computer. Notifications can kill your focus on your PC, so automate your peace and quiet when you are using your computer. All you have to do is go to Settings on the System section on the side menus. Click on Notifications. Once Notifications is opened, locate the Do Not Disturb section, turn it on. Under it, you will see Turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. Click on that section, set the time you would want the Do Not Disturb feature to automatically turn on and off. And once you are done with it, if you want it done daily, you choose the feature that works best for you. And when it is done, you see all the check boxes. Once you turn on Do Not Disturb feature, on the check boxes, when duplicating your display, priority notification banners are also hidden. When playing a game, you will not be disturbed. When using an app in full screen mode, all these features that are ticked will work for you once you automatically turn on Do Not Disturb feature. Try it out. Are you on a data plan or on a metered connection or hotspot? You can set a data limit so Windows won't burn through your plan. All you have to do is go to Settings on the Network and Internet section on the side menu. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Data Usage. Once there, select your internet connection and enter the limit. Once you are close, Windows warns you, no more surprise bills. Try it out. Let me know how it feels. Some applications don't need access to your camera mic, or location. So lock them out. I call it the privacy gatekeeper. Go to settings and then locate the privacy and security section on the side menus, and then locate applications permissions. Pick a category like camera or microphone and turn it off. Turn off any application you don't trust. It's like giving your PC a personal bouncer.
So how many of these settings do you not know about? Comment your favorites, smash the like button, subscribe so that we always learn together. I'll see you in the next episode.